So the walls have some buildup on them, and the butt plates as well. Gonna be pressure washing all these down, getting them cleaned up. Some of them are more dirty than others. Oh yeah. See how that goes. It'll be a good day. Update here. So like the way that I clean these, like obviously this panel is pretty dirty. I come along to these little dividers here, I clean it all the way down, and then I clean the whole panel back to here. I already did these ones right here. They come clean pretty good. So a lot of pressure washing. But these ones, since like all the cows exit through here, there's nothing to keep them from brushing up against them. Down at the bottom here, they stay pretty stained. Like that, like I already hit that with the pressure washer. They stay pretty stained, but it's clean. It's just that it's no longer white. But yeah, I got a couple more panels to do, get some footage of that. Get them all nice and clean, then get those butt plates clean. And then it'll be on to the next. Alright, so we got a real nice before and after here. Now this is what it looks like, not clean. And then clean. They clean up pretty good. It's been a while since we pressure washed them, that's why these ones look so much dirtier. But yeah. We'll get some footage of me doing some actual pressure washing and see what it looks like. They come pretty clean, they look nice. The only spot that doesn't, like right, as I was saying, right down here at the bottom, you know, this stuff, there's not even any gunk on there, they're just super stained. That's alright. It's down at foot level. We're making pretty good progress in the parlor here. All the walls nice and clean and white. Yeah, these ones, I did that one off camera to get it done. And the last thing on the list here is these butt plates. Get some cow crap on them from time to time. Get all these pressure washed down. And then we should be done in the parlor. It'll be all nice and squeaky clean again. And I don't want to really get behind on cleaning off those walls again, because as you saw, there's crap can build up on it pretty quick, pretty fast. I want to try and get those pressure washed more often. But yeah, it's looking good. done, well, I finished up cleaning out the parlor. I hopped on the case here. I'm gonna go get some straw from the straw barn and fill up the bucket on the case and go and dump it out and bed some calf pens. But yeah, get some calf pens bedded up and then we'll go from there. Alright, I got all the straw set up here. Gonna pitch them all up into the pens, see how quick I can do it, and get a video of it. And yeah, and once I get these pens filled up with all straw, just brought them all up here with the case, dumped them all out in front of them. I don't know if I'll have anything else going on today, but we'll see. Do a quick time lapse, see how quick I can go. What's my time? 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Nice fresh straw, all the pins. You ready for some new calves? If you're wondering how our calf hutch situation works up here, these pins on the outside of the barn were here when we bought the farm. We use them. We put the calves into these pins after they've been in the pins that we built in the barn for a while. So when they're fresh young calves, they come and they live in the barn until they get big and strong, and then we move them out there once they get a little bit older so they can be stronger, more attuned to the weather. Once they're outside, they're not shielded as well as when they're in the barn. But yeah, that's the setup. Whew. Still out of breath. Do some quick pitching there. Well, sun's starting to dip down below the horizon. It's probably going to be dark here in the next 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.